Assalamualaikum. Oke, buat kalian yang masih SMA, kuliah, atau baru aja mulai kerja beneran, atau bahkan yang udah kerja lama dan merasa semuanya serba nggak jelas, tenang, you're not alone. Namaku Isvan Hiroshi dan ini adalah Senin Thursday Podcast, your weekly dose of real talk and practical advice for navigating young adult life because let's be honest, no one tells you how hard this gets. Oke, kita mulai. Kenapa sih podcast ini? Oke, jadi gini. Dulu saat SMA kelas 3, aku termasuk orang yang yakin banget sama kemampuan aku karena nilai TO nggak yang tinggi-tinggi banget dan nggak rendah juga. Jadi waktu dicoba masuk ke beberapa universitas, itu tembus guys. Tapi in the end, salah besar cuy. Aku nggak keterima di mana-mana dan akhirnya kuliah di kampus swasta. Jujur, kampusnya sih sebenarnya bagus. Tapi ada sesuatu yang masih membuat aku ganjel sampai akhirnya memutuskan untuk fokus SBMPTN lagi. It took me months of studying, setbacks, and self-doubt to finally get on a path I felt good about. It was rough, and I realized, shouldn't it be less of a struggle? Oke, jadi nanti setiap Senin kita akan ngobrol dalam bahasa Indonesia about all of it. Gap years, career confusion, personal development, mental health, and more. Dan ini bukan sok-sok jaksel gitu guys. Ini murni karena aku suka bahasa Inggris dan pengen lancarin itu. Jujur aku masih kurang banget dan aku pengen ini jadi bahan aku untuk belajar. Jadi, after Thursday, I'll switch to English. And I want this podcast to help everyone out there. Expect honest stories, a lot of them mine, including how I bounce back from setbacks, practical tips we can actually use, and hopefully a few laughs along the way. Insyaallah ya. And once again, but this isn't just about me. I want to hear your stories, your struggles, and the things you wish someone had told you earlier. This podcast is our space to be real, learn from each other, and figure this adulting thing out together. Because here's the thing, you are not alone in this, ever. So, semoga ini bermanfaat. Hit that follow button on Spotify so you never miss an episode. And find me on Instagram and TikTok at isfanhiroshi for all things Senin Thursday podcast. And remember, no matter how lost you might feel right now, you are capable of amazing things. Let's start building that amazing life together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.